program that we do here over the summer, NEETO, which is Neuroscience, Early Enrichment and Training Opportunity, is a program focused on exposing high school students from the southwest side of Chicago to concepts in neuroscience. Things from disease modeling to studying connectivity, and really just introducing them to things like what are neurons and how they influence movement and how we use them in our daily lives, and how in disease contexts, how people and even animals are affected and how their locomotion breaks down and things of that nature.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I knew what neuroscience was and and stuff like that, but with this program internship, I was able to learn more about the neuroscience and how neuroscience is it can be a wide range of things, not even just like the brain aspect, but sensories, motors, and how diseases affect it.
The program, over the 2 weeks, we learn how to build microcomputers, how to think about proposing experiments and how to set up experiments and address questions that we have. Now we do it in these contexts in which we ask and answer questions related to ALS and how the breakdown between the connection of a motor neuron and a muscle influences motion. So kids learn how to build microcomputers, and that takes soldering of different electrical components and 3D printing and putting things all together, and then is essentially creating a research project, collecting data, and then finally the symposium, presenting it to the greater University of Chicago biology department.
Their lifespan is very short, about 2 weeks, and with their short lifespan we can easily reproduce them faster. And
before joining this program, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know we were going to be in a real lab. I thought we were going to visit, but we weren't going to work in the lab. So now knowing and coming here the first day and just seeing, like, coming to a lab and being able to put myself down and work in this lab and understand the different processes of it, and I think that's been a great experience.
I did not know what to expect from this program, but it has really shocked me, like working in the university, like in a lab. Like I find it really interesting, very cool, and we get access to all these instruments, all these resources that we aren't really given back at school.
We've gotten a lot of feedback, and it's been overwhelmingly positive. A lot of the kids that we've talked to, before and after the program, say that it really changed the way that they look at science. And our first year doing this program, we got 2 out of the 4 students that we mentored to actually pick neuroscience as a field in college, as a major. And even the students that didn't pick neuroscience, right, have this experience to draw on in their future careers for, thinking about complex problems and how to answer them. Even the teachers we've talked to say that their students like it a lot, and they really take it to heart and go home with this information and share it, and it just stays with them.
I think it allows me to get a better idea of what people do in the labs, and it helps me figure out what I want to do for the future. If I want to do stuff like them.
If I could, I would do this internship again. It helps bring students that are interested into the real life aspect of it. Not just the labs we do at school, but the labs that actually do affect the world, that do create new research and do discover things.
Look, guys, last one. We're done.
All right, Alexis, put that smiley face down.